Let's go, let's go, let's go. Ladies and gentlemen, good hang golf here, John Hodges. We got Kimball and Sammy shooting the cannon. We're here at the 3rd annual Swing to Save benefiting Humble House Ministries. We're glad to support. We got Kimball's cannon. I'm sure Lindsay's excited for that long shaft that he's gonna put right on the green. Let's go, Kimball. Show us how it's done, baby. Globe Trot International Postman, neighbor Dick Dope Man, 718-202s. I send small cities and states out of you. Matter of fact, 3 It's in the hole, ladies and gentlemen. It is in the hole. Good hang golf. Let's go.
Is it cause they like my gangster wall? Gangster wall. Is it cause they like my gangster talk?